Una never cheat anything. Una welcome back on Top Night Show. To my right and left, I get boy and kill, color TV and black and white. Make your choice is available for you. So on tonight's show, you know, so we start the show today with the NYC. Color TV say she go one serious village inside there. Ke Baba be our second guest. Una say good evening. Ke Baba welcome. So like what you talk? You say we talk NYC. Unlike me, all these three people, easy bit, you're inclusive. They can't work their NYC. She no can work. You know work.
You know work.
So unlike me and Topsy, we no work our NYC. But these two people work their NYC. Now in bad they keep us. In say that in working when in work income pay for them double. Oh yeah,
what thing be happen? Be say when they be post me initially.
When they post you,
Kwara State they carry me go.
Kwara we no bad.
But when I look at, I can't they like what I want go do for Kwara? They re-hustle. Now for Lagos here, you understand? So because I think say the hustle now for Lagos, I can't try to discuss with my zonal inspector that time. Zeda now with so I beg me they collect my alawi. They use the cover up for me, so I go day Lagos, they hustle, I go the control and they find out how the thing they go. So during the time I go one pass out, I go just fall in back, collect my certificate. I can't do all like that for 1 year. Every month I go to call the guy, I go say, don't worry, everything is okay, don't worry, towards the POP come, your certificate, everything. True. After 1 year, now I pack my bag, we call the here, say POP will arrange. Now, as I enter the town, and they say, the absconded, they call us that time. They say, you absconded, you abandoned your NYC, and for that reason, you are not recognized as a copper. You have to apply. It be me like
film.
It be me like epic movie.
So
the thing no rebalance. I can't ask my Zeda, what thing happen? He say, well, you know, there's nothing.
After you don't trouble my money.
The order came from Abuja, from the very big guy handling it. After the whole money don't go finish. Now there.
So now you want to give color TV water may drink?
What be say you give her 2 cups?
I don't know. No, I do very confused with handle. So you know say. You never see color TV.
See the way when you don't serious, they do the thing.
In a while. They won't drink this water together. Make I see what won't happen.
First time, I may know whether na water first. Guy go take water finish you today. You will drink water,
So, Bash, no, make I understand something first. Now, who you think say you be? You're stroll inside this studio like this. Who give you permission to enter inside this studio? You can't bring 2 kettle of water for color TV. How she want to drink the water now like this?
Not be that one. Anybody will bring water, may they bring 2 plates of rice, come.
So
now me go drink this one.
Speechless.
Kesoro! Hey!
You are also briefless.
Briefless.
From my heart.
Yeah, get
as
up
you give me. Hey, God bless you.
Amen.
May they not carry you to a local city, a local town. Next time when they are transferring you from where you work. Because that one go bad past the NYC.
So, wait first. So this story before Bash can't distract person because as per color TV
now,
don't
so the
distract
matter can't build. They can't say make I go reapply again. Say they not recognize him. I can't they ask my Zeda. I say what I go. They say okay, don't worry. This time I'm going to help you. I'll make sure that if you reapply this time, they go carry you go Lagos. You mean Lagos you want? I say yes. He say oh yeah, apply. I can't apply.
So you can't reapply again for NYC.
When the thing come back this time, when I check him, I see YB. I say what it be YB? I can't they think say which area for Lagos they call? I say Oyingbo. I say no be Oyingbo. My brother like that is Yobe State. I say no, na joke. As I carry the thing walk around, they say na Yobe State by there. And so they take carry me go far Yobe State for the heart of Yobe. In fact, the village where we first do the 3 weeks, that one place where they call Fika. That one na like 5 hours from the state capital of the Damaturu.
So your own still better.
No. They don't go now. We dey see hyena life because na desert area.
And that time self, you know, they to say me and my hyena.
You not even get chance. You know the place, the toilet where the bathroom where they bath na zinc, and so you got to wait till one person. And you know say na dry on a normal day, not be December period. On a normal day na dry. Thick Hamatan haze.
But you enjoy it?
No, not fun. It was fun because the experience, you know, fit trade them for anything. I dey usually tell people say I enjoy my NYC days past my university 4 years for
See,
True.
in the end, if you no work your NYC, you just no be you say na it make you discover comedy.
Now I make that day I go now when I day for inside NYC. Okay, finally when I do, they carry me go Damaturu, the state capital.
Yes.
You understand? So now as I did the state capital, but the room where they give me, where they manage, one small thing, will be like kiosk.
But you did the room. You know you will see the okay. You go close your door for night.
You not close. I did the room. Rain go they fall. Once rain they fall, my whole house they leak. So I can't set buckets everywhere. As the rain they fall one day, the buckets come the water come they enter the 3 buckets. Where I keep
all na this thing now. NYSC.
Now there as the thing they come they make me they laugh. As they make me they laugh, I just say this is not joke.
Okay. I don't die.
Now there I take discover the comedy. I go church the next day, go talk about how the rain they fall, they enter inside my bucket.
As testimony, I be what?
As I come outside, come talk as testimony. Say, I know where they come from. Say, but now where I dey here now, say I just dey. Okay, somebody come the following day, somebody come give me house somewhere where they pass that place. So I won't come testify. Now say, I talk about where they come from.
Okay,
The full church.
You also did it before and after.
You understand? People come, they laugh. And my pastor come and say, young man, that testimony was a comedic testimony. You need to be doing this thing more often. And from there, I discovered the thing. I take start. So if I not go Yobe,
you no go take.
I for no discover the comedy. Where would they do today? Where they bring the things.
Wow. Okay, so now you talk say you get what you want to do for 26th of July.
Yeah, 26th of July.
Now stage because before we bring you enter studio, I dey ask and say and easy be like say waiting they make stage plays for Naija no con dey as popular as before.
The problem there be say towards the late 80s, the love for stage play con dey die. And part of the things were cause am now because the level of insecurity can they grow. In the 80s? In the 80s, towards 80 and 87, nightlife for Lagos, they very interesting. You feel drive from Festac, go VI, without the fear, say, boys go attack you for road. So people, they go, most of the stage plays that time, now for night.
Yes.
They do. And so you feel go. But the time where we say criminal activities can they increase, people don't come they get the confidence, they feel come out. There was a time in Lagos where they say, if you day street for Lagos, you dey fear because you know they know where boys just come collect your bag, do different kind of things. So those are part of these things where affect and stage play can they gradually they die. The love for a con they come on. So people can they say okay, people know they get the chance to come watch stage play. They can't they do them in the way they say you feel they televise them. Now that thing can bring the trend of the Ojo Ladipo. Theater them like all them Papilu where they can begin do all their own ABC they go to televise them. And so people can the love can they fade off before you know as you enter the early 90s, people not can they like stage play again. Everybody just losing interest for stage play. That's what the matter take go. But recently,
like say,
recently I noticed I been study recently I noticed towards the late 2013, towards the end of 2013, I can discover say the love for stage play can they gradually they grow. Most practitioners where we say then train as thespians, as theater arts practitioners, can decide, okay, may they begin put hand, they bring stage play. Most of the comedians where they see these days, now thespians, they study theater arts. They are rich. But the reason why they do comedy now because then see I'm say if they do full-fledged stage play, people no go generally come outside, take their money, buy tickets, say, I just want to go watch stage play. You understand? So some of them come, they build their act to become stand-up comedians, where they say they fit tell you all that story, where they go inside put for full stage play. They fit tell you the story for inside comedy for 5 minutes, and you go feel laugh more, and you pay them more for the thing. So now part of the things where I encourage a lot of the big comedians now, where they the industry, some not be them, some just they encouraged by other comedians where they see. So now part of the things where I encourage a lot of people.
So what thing can inspire you? This show where you want to do 26th of July, waiting a day about and waiting coming.
My show, the 26th of July, I studied theater arts for school, and because of the love what I get for theater arts, as I finished school after service too, I noticed say the industry no go fully accept me. That
time theater, who you be waiting you they study? You say okay, you they study theater. Oh, hello, maybe this guy is a comedian. Oh yeah, what are you studying? Oh, I'm studying theater arts.
That's what they go take one eye look.
Is that a course?
You understand? And you get the time to say for the industry, most of us when we come out for school, we get the mind say we want to join Nollywood. But we know say there was a time for Nollywood where we say if you know be fine, handsome, hunk.
And fine yellow color TV,
And
you
if
know,
you know
like
come tall, like someone like me, I did very brief. So I know say there's no way I go fit follow people like Hank and Nupu or the Ramsey Noah drag their class. So I say my brother, man, I hold the comedy where they do.
Easy. Baba K and Nedu, who tall?
I talk past Nedu.
Not pass Nedo.
Okay.
Talk past Nedu.
No, we may talk about
No, I talk. I talk past Nedu. Tell her say I talk to him.
They didn't go deny.
He himself knows.
No, Nedu go find a way to describe that, you know, the difference in height.
I even tell her say if they around me, no, they wear palm because they did very obvious. If you wear palm, it would be obvious.
So make him wear cut shoe.
Me wear shoe. That lifts Jesus higher. What you don't lift? Yeah, the world can see behavioral things.
Okay, so you talk to us about this July 26th.
Yeah, July 26th, I did do my show. You understand?
And they carry and go mainland.
I dey carry and go mainland, yes. I did do my show because most times, since I be comedian and I be theater arts practitioner at the same time, you understand? I needed to, I be saying, and now I say make I do something where I go fit blend
The
both
two.
together, you understand?
Okay.
So that people will love comedy. If you come that day, you go see comedians where go entertain you, where go thrill you. Then those where love stage play, you go still see people where they do real stage play. We feel not do all the plenty, build plenty set. You know, when we did school that time, they teach us different style of theater. There's a style they call port theater. You do need plenty.
And you know, the person go to say, these theater people know they go school. They know they learn anything. Now just to jump around. I remember when I tell my mother that I want to read theater art. He said theater, huh?
I remember say when I want to enter school, do screening to enter department of theater arts. The woman I want to screen me, I should look my. She said, what do you want to study? I said theater art. He said, you're joking. Get out of here. He looked me because they use crutches. He said, you cannot do it. My friend, go and call your parents. I said, my parents are in Lagos. Then at Delta State University, Abraka, he said, my friend, go back and call. You cannot study theater arts. If you want to go for English or mass communication, I will screen you. But if you do theater arts in 1 week, you will die. With this your condition.
He God. Which kind
But I say I want to do that because the people, they always feel saying I play department, but are very, very difficult and tasky.
We always say they jump around.
Sometimes I go come out from my hostel. 3 days before they come out from my house, I go cook soup. I'll enter class. From lectures, I will go rehearsals. From rehearsals, I go different group where they break us into different group where they go do different theater work.
Yes.
3 days, I never reach out. By the time I reach house, my soup where I cook don't sour. I can't throw one, cook, do another one. Times you don't leave your house at like 4. You did very hectic. As I did do them, I go remember what that woman tell me, say you go there, I go say no. I go
Then yes, so
now part of this where encourage us, carry us reach towards the end where we take do and with that.
So now comedy and
stage play. We even music, even they will just want to give everybody full dose. So that if you don't say Nigeria, if Nigeria where they hail you, if they want to kill your career, they'll kill your career.
Ah, my brother, honestly,
kill your career.
how you want deal with person like now? Easy, you can imagine say, Baba K, go do, you know, this your show happen. You can't they flake, can't they ginger, can't they talk your joke, nobody laugh. What thing you go do now?
As they go finish you, that means you're under finish.
You go just tell people say, please, you go down, say, in the name of God, but to everybody, the God that made heaven and earth and made you inclusive, clap your hands and laugh. Chai.
That's what they do. It's okay. If you come, you see music, you go see stage play, you go see comedy. You understand? So if you don't feel like the comedians for what they do,
you go like the music. If you don't like the music, you go like the
stage play. But if you don't go like 3 of them, your problem is too much for us to handle. You need a man of God.
Where you want? Where this thing they take place?
It will happen for Festac area. Festac area because
Festac done the bubble.
Yeah, now they happen.
Golden Tulip,
Golden Tulip,
everything.
So if you do events for there, they guarantee say the place go they locked down, the crowd go come outside, and people where they there. You know, Festac na place where Festac, you remember back where Festac 77, where they symbolize arts and culture. You understand? So now part of the reason why make us say, Moko just carry and go around that side. So that people where they there side go feel appreciate. And know say, okay, these kind of things they happen.
How much be the cage fee now? Because
very chicken money now.
Now you know that we need to begin to gather our money, and then people when they watch, when they also they look say, make we begin count their money. 26 still there. Some people by that time they don't pay them there, you know.
No, that's why I aim 26 because I know say towards that time some people go.
So even if you borrow the money, you could tell person say, just give me 3-4 days. You know if you're not cooking for back. In fact, you do ask her on top the matter. Say what? Today at 26, give me. I give you in 5 days precisely. come back to me in 5 days at this particular time. You know, I'll cook for back. It's not that me you go do show middle of the month.
No. That you how God will finish you. Because if you do show
My
middle of the
brother.
month, if you carry gong, then enter say buy my ticket, buy my ticket. I say my brother, you know check the date before you fix it. She said, whether you know check it.
Okay, so your ticket, how much be?
The regular now 1,500, affordable. VIP 5K.
My brother, we go there.
Table for 8, 60K, affordable. So we want make am for everybody.
Give me 5. You are too much.
everybody.
I buy you beer
If you
next time.
understand
I buy you beer
You know,
next time.
say,
Don't
so
vex.
that not be say when we come carry the money go up. Next time when we talk say we want do that kind of thing, because say no man now.
It's
Carry
okay.
the
Keep
money.
it. 1.5. We don't close show. Show don't close. We don't finish now. 1.5. 5,000 VIP. We go pack 10 of ourselves like this. We go just enter the. You know, say when people one flex. When the money they comfortable. Easy be like you go pack 10 of in goons. They just throw. You know, they go bounce. With this kind of classes, they're going to say pay for table.
They say that.
10 of us. Just 10. What? Then you don't stroll. Go sit down.
Big boys. please.
Baba K,
Big boys
you are
please.
too much.
Thank
That's
you,
it
Derek.
now. Sure, we don't finish show. In fact, we dey go house from now on.
If you don't know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.